need to make a quick card, but still give that wow effect. I'll show you how to make this really easy pop-up card that everyone can make in no time. I'll show you how. Here's a closer look at the card. So, very easy to make. Original design was by Brenda Quintana, and she called it the Pillar with Side Panel Fancy Fold Card on YouTube. I can link her original design in her YouTube channel, but I made the background and I made pretty much everything here within maybe 10 minutes. So let's get started. What you're going to need is a paper that's 11-inch long and 4 1/4 wide. So on the long side, we're going to score at 1 1/2, 3 1/2, 5 1/2, 7 1/2, and 9 1/2, and that's it. very quick. Like I said, pretty quick and easy. I think the longest part was making the paper, but for the most part, it's so cute. You can put your sentiments back here. Fits in an A2 envelope, and it looks like this. Very quick and easy. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully you guys make some, and definitely probably we could make some for Valentine's Day since that's the next holiday. But I liked how it turned out, and thank you, Brenda Quintana, for sharing your measurements and your project with us, and that I can replicate what you've done. Thank you guys. Have a good week, and please be safe out there. Bye.